Hello friends, welcome to the Vision Genius. So in today's video, you are going to learn about why stainless steel is corrosion resistant. But before that, we need to understand what corrosion is and how it works. As we know, corrosion is a natural process in which material converts into more chemically stable forms such as oxides, hydroxides, carbonate or sulfides by chemical or electrochemical reactions. It gradually deteriorates the material and its properties permanently. That's why it is also called as irreversible interfacial reaction of a material with its environment, which results in gradual destruction of the material. Corrosion can occur in different materials like ceramic, polymers, wood, concrete, etc. But today we are going to talk about corrosion of iron and its alloys. So if you talk about corrosion of iron and its alloys, there are many factors which affect the rate of corrosion, such as chemical composition, presence of impurities, internal stresses, manufacturing process, and exposure to non-uniform environment. Now we will understand how corrosion works. So in case of iron-based alloys, in wet and humid condition, iron reacts with oxygen to form iron oxide, which is also called rust. So for rusting, it requires three things. First is iron, which is present in the steel and its alloys. Second is water or humidity, which works as an electrolyte. And third is oxygen. So when these three things combine, iron, water and oxygen, it produces hydrated iron oxide, which is called rust. So if you can prevent oxygen and water come into contact with the iron, you can avoid rusting. But practically it is not possible because structures, piping, buildings and equipments are made of iron and its alloys like steels are open to atmosphere containing oxygen and moisture. So rusting is going to happen. So what we can do to minimize or stop the iron from rusting? If you have noticed, rusting usually occurs on the surface of iron and mainly when the surface is exposed to air and water. Now somehow if we will able to provide some kind of layer on the surface of iron, we can prevent the rusting, as the iron now not directly exposed to the oxygen or water. So there are many ways to protect the outer surface of the steel from rusting. First is painting, second is applying some kind of oil or lubricant, third is electroplating, and now fourth is what we are interested into, because it will answer our first question, why stainless steel is corrosion resistant. So if we add some other elements to iron which are more reactive than the iron and their oxides are more stable. So one of the major elements which we add to the steel to prevent it from the rusting is chromium. So stainless steel are having minimum 10.5% of chromium. When chromium reacts with oxygen, it forms chromium oxide. It is a very thin layer on the surface of the steel. Presence of the stable film prevents the additional corrosion by acting as a barrier that limits oxygen and water access to the underlying metal surface. This layer is so thin that the human eye typically cannot see it without it, giving the surface appearance of the steel its characteristic stainless appearance. So this layer is self-generating and protect the steel from rusting. That's why it is called stainless steel. So I hope you got the answer why stainless steel is corrosion resistant. However, stainless steel is not invincible. It's still susceptible to corrosion under right situations, and that we will learn in the next video. So please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the next video's notification. Keep learning.